Scotchman Industries manufactures ironworkers from 40 to 120 ton capacities. We offer 3 different concepts of ironworkers: the fully integrated tool concept, the component tool concept, and the dual operator concept. With a fully integrated style, the functions of punching, shearing, notching, angle shearing, and on some models, round and square rod shearing are built into the machine permanently. There are additional component tools available for the punch station, including brakes, channel shear, pipe notcher, picket tool, and tube shear. With a component tooling style machine, the only permanent features built in are the punch and flat bar shear. Please note that all Scotchman ironworkers are supplied with an angle shear as standard equipment. The balance of the tools can be purchased at any time. The dual operator machines combine the features of both models in a machine that can be used by 2 operators at the same time. All 3 concepts are very popular. It's just a matter of personal preference. In this presentation, we will be demonstrating Scotchman's Porta Fab model. It is a compact 110-volt machine with 45 tons of punching capacity. The compact design, along with the ability to be operated using a 110-volt generator, allows this machine to be used in all types of applications. The machine can be mounted on a service vehicle and taken right to the job site. It can also be moved from one location to another inside your plant very easily. This tape will give you a brief look at the capacities of this machine and most of the optional tools available for this model. If you have any questions about applications that were not covered on this tape, please contact your local dealer or give us a call at 1-800-843-8844. The controls on this model are very straightforward. This toggle switch powers the machine. The foot switch controls the movement of the machine. There are 2 pedals, one for upward movement and one for down. This stroke control sets the upstroke on the punch and the downstroke on the tool table for various tools and applications that require a limited stroke. The basic machine consists of the punch station and a tooling station with a multi-tool installed as standard equipment. The multi-tool consists of an angle shear, plate shear, and rod shear in one tool. Punch. The punch on this machine is rated at 45 tons and will punch a 45-ton hole. The maximum hole size is 1 1/8 inch through 1/2 inch or 1 1/4 inch through 3/8 inch with the standard holders, and up to 2 1/4 inch through 1/4 inch with optional holders. Scotchman manufactures all of its own punches and dies and keeps a large variety in stock, including rounds, squares, ovals, offset dies, and metric sizes. Scotchman also has a full-time special tooling department that can fabricate almost any style of punch and die for your particular application. This machine is equipped with a positive locking pin in the punch for all shaped punches. The punches can be positively locked in position for additional safety. Multi-tool. The multi-tool will shear flat plate up to 3/8 inch by 6 inches or 1/2 inch by 4 inches. It will shear angle iron up to 3 by 3 by 5/16 inch at 90 degrees and up to 2 by 2 by 1/4 inch at 45 degrees. It will shear round rod up to 3/4 inch diameter. Rod shear angle shear combination. This combination rod and angle shear is an available option for the Porta Fab machine that is designed to crop off the material. This means you will not have any material loss. All Scotchman ironworkers are rated on 65,000 tensile mild steel and operate very well in this type of material, but they also will shear higher tensile and carbon steel. Pipe notcher. This pipe notcher is one of the more popular pieces of optional tooling we sell. This tool saddle cuts pipe for railings and other applications. We have dies from 3/4 to 2 inches in stock. Dies are also available for tubing and other applications. Brakes. Small braking jobs can be performed with ease on the Scotchman Porta Fab. You have your choice of an 8-inch or 12-inch brake on this model. This tool will make that job of bending clips, brackets, and hangers much easier and require fewer pieces of equipment in your shop. Picket tool. This optional Picket tool is available with 3 different die sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, and it mounts on the tool table. This sturdy tool is designed for a high-volume production of security fences. Tube shear. This optional tool will cut up to 1-inch 16-gauge tubing with minimal distortion. It mounts on the tool table, and along with the Picket tool is a high-volume tool for security fences and other applications that require square tubing. 90-degree notcher. The optional 90-degree notcher is mounted on the tool table of the Porta Fab. Applications up to 6 inches by 6 inches by 1/8 inch V-notch are well within the tool's capability. This tool does not have a slug release, so it is necessary to use a magnetic probe or similar device for slug removal. Rectangle notcher. A rectangle notcher attachment is available for the punch station of this machine. Capacities for this attachment are 1 3/4 inch by 2 inches in 1/4 inch rectangle notch and 1 3/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch in 1/4 inch V-notch. We have shown several pieces of tooling at work on this quick change tool table, and you may have already thought of other applications you can use this power source for. On this model, you have 25 tons available on the tool table to work with, and it is very possible you can free up a larger press in your shop for that die set, bending, straightening, or pressing operation. If one of the machines we just demonstrated is not large enough to handle your needs, please ask to see the tapes on our higher tonnage models. We have an Ironworker for you.